Hello everyone! Kumusta? So at this time, I'm going to cook chicken steak. I haven't tried this before, so I don't know what to cook with the chicken, so I figured I'll try it as a chicken steak. So first, I'm going to fry the onions. Pan-fry lang natin. Pan-fry hanggang maging translucent yung kulay. Okay, so nag-golden brown na siya or translucent color na yung onions. Now we have to take it out. Tanggalin natin siya and we'll set it aside. So natanggal na natin. Set aside lang natin ang onion. And then I'm gonna pan-fry the mushroom. Cremini mushroom. I'm gonna try to experiment to add mushrooms on the chicken steak para may gulay. Para hindi lang siya meat. Bango ng amoy. Nababango na amoy ko yung mushroom. Ang bango. So pan-fry lang natin siya for a bit. Just add a little salt. Little lang. And then some crushed pepper. Ang bango, guys. If nandito kayo sa gilid ko, ang bango ng mushroom at saka yung pepper nung nilagay na, sobrang bango. So stir natin siya mga 5 minutes. So ito na siya, guys, luto na. So tanggalin natin. Na set it aside as well. Tanggalin natin ang mushroom. Ito na. So we're gonna set aside the mushroom now and we'll add it on later on. Now we have to wipe our pan para naman malinis tingnan. Okay, pan is clean. Now I'm going to add butter. I have a slice of butter here. Let's add it. Melt lang natin siya. So now we can start frying the garlic. Chopped onion, and then ginger. Every time I cook, I like to add ginger in it, guys, para matanggal yung, minsan malansa kasi, kaya nakakatulong para matanggal yung lansa ng meat or isda. So okay, ready na yung garlic, onion, at ginger. Let's add our chicken. Na-marinate ko na din yung chicken, guys. Nilagyan ko siya ng, as usual, soy sauce, pepper, and lemon juice. Naglagay ako ng lemon juice. Haluin lang natin. Let's brown the chicken in its side. Natin siya sa medium heat lang, guys, para hindi masunog. Okay, I think brown na sa kabala. Flip na natin. Ganyan. Okay. Siguro mga in 2 minutes, okay na yung the other side. Okay, it's good. Now I'm going to add the remaining marinade sauce I had. So, add lang natin. Konti lang pala yung okay. So, this time, we're going to add calamansi juice. Kung walang calamansi juice, lemon or vinegar, okay then. I normally use lemon. Pero this time I tried the calamansi. Frozen ko siya nabili. And then let's add some a little soy sauce. Soy sauce and then crushed peppers. Konti lang nilalagay ko because my kids find it spicy. Konti lang and then maybe a little salt kasi nag-soy sauce na tayo. Naalat na. And then let's add also the brown sugar. Okay. And now, ay wala pala. To add also water para palambutin yung manok. You can add water as much as you need it, guys. Kung depende kung gaano kalambot ang gusto nyo sa chicken, sa meat. So, takpan natin. Let's go over it. Maybe for like 30-40 minutes para kumulo at lumabot yung manok. Okay. 30 minutes passed. So, tingnan natin ang manok. I think it's tender na. Ang sauce, nag-evaporate na din. Okay. Ito na ang manok. Chicken is cooked. Okay, let's try ang lasa. Sarap. Ang sarap, guys. Masarap ito sa maraming rice. You can adjust the taste, guys. You can add salt or pepper. Depende sa panlasa nyo. So, now we're gonna add the onion. Onion. Onion muna and then the mushroom. Okay. Optional ang mushroom, guys. Gusto ko lang siya lagyan ng mushroom kasi gusto ko may gulay. Diba? You can add the remaining onions na, guys. Na siya. Okay. Tada! Chicken steak is ready! Mainit, sandali. Masarap. Sarap, diba, guys? Thank you for watching!